Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for April 13th, going into the 14th. Let's start off with the natural gas. We rolled over again today. Okay, been bearish overall from $8.20, 0.8, seen $6.68.6 so far. On lower time frames, the failure below 383. More to pressure, we've come off $1.20.2 and a little bit more than that today, from 262.80 to 261.50. A number of other bearish calls in here. If we trade back above 262.80 to 263.50, look for short covering that could possibly be decent. And decent trade above this formation right here, which is going to come in at 271.70 minus 1.3 per hour. That'll warrant decent strength. And a further break above 274.70 minus 1.3 per hour. That'll project this upward 160 ticks minimum, 300 ticks plus maximum. We break above that decently and back down through it decently, look for decent pressure to come in. Maintain gap higher tomorrow, we'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. In the crude oil, maintain gap higher tomorrow, we'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. All right, the trade below 114.35 is brought in $23.30 of the pressure warned about. And then the trade below 104.34 brought in 13.29 of the pressure warned about. That was below here. But then we broke back above that, negating that this morning. But we have rolled over again and fell below this formation, which puts us into a bearish territory again. That was at 93.74 plus 2.5 per hour starting at. And we just broke below there where it came in at 1even.15. Excuse me, that is the wrong one. This one right here, the 99.55 plus 8 per hour. So that came in at 1even.15 by the time we broke below it. Now we also have this formation below, which is going to come in at 93.98 plus 2.5 per hour. Decent break below there. A warrant of decent pressure for $10 minimum. $27 plus maximum. If we break below there decently and back up through it decently, look for decent short covering to come in. We would like to see a bounce off that line first before breaking below it to give it better form. And in the RBOB, we left a minor bullish reversal below on the day, but we did not take out 328.21 in the process. So it's not as strong of a signal. If we leave a maintain gap lower tomorrow, that'll leave a minor bearish reversal above. We held exhaustion at 337.87 with a 338.54 high and rolled over 49.83 cents. I said as we continue to roll over into this bearish correction, the minimum target will be 271.30. So we still got quite a ways to go to get down to there. And decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 3even.44 plus 9 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warn of decent pressure. If we break below there decently and back up through it decently, look for decent short covering to come in. I would also note too that I said that, never mind. All right. And then onto the heat. The trade below, we held exhaustion above at 459.04 with day 461.29 high and rolled over $1.35. And then the trade below 433.79 is brought in 73.85 cents of pressure. The trade below 421.21 is brought in 61.27 cents of pressure. And then the trade below 418.18, I said projects this downward 58 cents minimum, 87 cents plus maximum. We've attained 58.24 cents of that so far down into here before we started to rally up in here. Those were on hold because we'd broken back above this line this morning, but we fell back down through it here. Which brought in renewed pressure. Bear with me just a second here. Decent trade below this formation below, which comes in at 375.42 to 373.05, plus 13.5 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. We'll project this downward 41 cents minimum, $1.09 plus maximum. And by the way, I apologize. I did not suggest getting short below this line, back below this line. I did suggest getting short below this peak right here at 403.22, which was around where that line came in. But anyway, so we saw the pressure come in from that. And the Brent left a minor bullish reversal below on the day, but it's not as effective because we haven't taken out 108.30 in the process. Maintain gap lower in there tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bearish reversal above. I did warn on Friday that Monday would likely have a range expansion day. We did not see much intraday, but including Globex, we'd seen multiples of the previous day's range. And then decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 94.37. Plus 3 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m., 8 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant decent pressure. Gas and maintain gap higher tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. Trade below 1340.75 brought in 270.5 of pressure warned about. Number of other bearish calls in here. If we take out this formation below, that'll warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 11.11.69 plus 34 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. And the cadence going into tomorrow is the RBOB is the strongest of the three, the heating oil in the middle, and the crude the weakest of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.